Marian Santos of Potentials.com signing at our channels. So, we wrote an article the other day. Alam ko medyo hindi tayo para regular na nag-write sa ating blog. But yun sana we could share our thoughts, our experience, our tips on mental health on our blog, Potential.com. Anyway, let's study God's Word. So, ang didakin natin today is action pack. So, yung Bible verse is from Mark 1 verse 35. Rising very early, before dawn, he left and went off to a deserted place where he prayed. So, yung storyteller natin to is si Sis Risa Singson Kaupeng, one of our sa Shepherd's Voice publication. So, one of the leaders there. So, and who wrote siguro mga 3 to 4 books sa feast books, no? So, ang story natin ni Sis Risa is about the 4 Gospels. So, sa 4 Gospel daw, Mark's version is action-pack. So, bakit action-pack? Kasi it talks about casting out demons, healing, and preaching. So, ang question niya is, where did he have his self-care? So, friend, si Jesus ba may self-care? So, ang sabi ni Sis Lisa, he spent time alone. Kumbaga, we all live action-packed lives, but we have to spend more time with God. So, no matter how busy we are or how action-packed our lives are, so Jesus nga na, who was so busy dun sa 3 years niya ng ministry, but despite that, he always spent time to pray, diba? Parang he goes to a garden, to the ocean, no? To a lonely boat, just so he could have time with the Lord, with his Father. So, ano ba yung reflection natin today? When you have a most important day, do you cut out your prayer time or do you prioritize it? Friend, anong sagot mo sa tanong na yan? Do you pray or you parang tomorrow na lang? So that's the question. Friend, no? So yun siguro, one of the things that we should not forget in a day is yung prayers natin. So ako especially during the pandemic, so morning, lunch, dinner, so parang every meal time, talagang even before sleeping, yung praying the rosary. Kasi praying the rosary, parang yung time na yun, during the pandemic, I felt it lessen yung anxiety, just repeating the Lord's prayers, the Hail Mary, the Glory be, no? Gives you parang strength of spirit to proceed yung daily life mo, even if you're in lockdown. So Lord, remind me that when there is a tough day ahead, I need you all the more. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.